how to add a password to a Framer page. So over here we're using a template just to show this as an example, and if you want to, you could use AI to create yourself a component in order to create somewhat like a password interface. It's gonna create it as a different project, but all you have to do is to copy the component. So go ahead to the layers and get the component. You're gonna go ahead and press on CTRL-C and then go to your original project and just enter your main page. Press on the main page and then press on CTRL-V. That way it's just gonna automatically paste it, and make sure its position is set to absolute. Set the top side as 0 and the left side as 0, and you don't have to change anything else here. All you'll have to do is change your password, and that's pretty much it. You can test it if you like as a preview, and then try putting in the password. But that is one way you can put in a password for your page in Framer. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.